thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the pound-dollar, recent developments and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Javier in our trading room.
The pound-dollar pair fell 0.6% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.4% in the last session. The RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.3% in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
Thanks, Javier. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
FTX received the green light to liquidate $3.6 billion in crypto assets from a US bankruptcy court in Delaware. Solana, Ethereum, and Aptos are the top 3 altcoin holdings of the bankrupt FTX exchange. Shares of Chinese electric vehicle makers fell after the European Commission launched an investigation into Chinese EV subsidies, escalating EU-China tensions and prompting analysts to warn of retaliatory action. Gold prices steadied near 3-week lows touched in the previous session, after US inflation data raised expectations that the Federal Reserve will hold fire on rates next week.
Thank you, Javier. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
Japan's tertiary industry index will be released at 0430 GMT, the Eurozone's trade balance at 0900 hours GMT, the US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 1400 hours GMT. The US industrial production will be released at 1315 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 2030 GMT, the UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.